You're an affiliate marketer and you are making below $5,000 per month. I want you to pay close attention and watch this video to the end, because inside this video, I'm going to walk you step by step and show exactly how to go from a complete beginner to generating consistent $10,000 per month from home as a high-ticket affiliate marketer. If you are struggling to get results with your affiliate marketing business, the only thing that you're lacking is just clarity on exactly what you need to do and then what you need to focus on to start helping you get results. And in this video, I'm going to walk you step by step in any step that you are right now. If you are a complete beginner making below $5,000 or $10,000 per month, inside this video, we are going to figure out exactly what you need to be focused on to start generating consistent $10,000 per month. Or if you're already making $10,000 per month and your result is not consistent, this video is going to walk you through step by step and give you clarity on exactly what you need to focus on to start generating consistent $10,000 to $20,000 or $25,000 per month with your affiliate marketing business. All you have to do is just pay close attention to this video and watch it to the end. And you will watch me step by step where I give you everything you need to start, systemize, and scale your affiliate marketing business for at least $10,000 to $20,000 per month. So right now, let's get into it. What's going on, everybody? So if you're an affiliate marketer making below $5,000 per month, or you're making $10,000 per month, but your result is not consistent, and you want to scale past $10,000 per month, $15,000 per month, $20,000 per month, then $25,000 per month with your affiliate marketing business, then make sure that you stay to the end of this video. And also, if you are still getting started and you want to learn exactly how you can use to start and scale to at least $10,000 per month in the next 90 days, regardless of experience. So make sure that you stay to the end of this video and pay close attention to what I'm going to share with you, because it's going to be very, very valuable. Right. So if you don't know me, once again, my name is Evanes E. And over the past few years, I have went from being broke and homeless to generating over $500,000 in affiliate commission and over $1 million in total online sales. And it all started with affiliate marketing. So I'm here to kind of give you a clear roadmap that will help you go from zero to at least your first $10,000 per month in the next 90 days, regardless of experience, right? So the only thing that I say is make sure that you pay close attention to this video. And also by the end of this video, and you find it very, very helpful and you want to take everything to the next level, we have opened few spots for people who want to speak one-on-one with my team to give you more clear and detailed roadmap that will help you take your affiliate marketing business to the next level, right? So when it comes to affiliate marketing, there is one thing that I want you to understand, okay? Affiliate marketing is not just another make money online opportunity or another side hustle. If you approach affiliate marketing like just a side hustle, you're going to struggle. You're not going to make enough money because you're going to kind of just do it like a side hustle. But if you really want to make money with affiliate marketing and change your life the same way I have done, and the rest of my students have modeled my system, you are going to build a real business. And not only that, but it's going to make you a lot of money and give you the life that you desire, right? So for me, I was a homeless guy, and yeah, I try to do affiliate marketing the way that everyone is doing it, just like see it as other side hustle. Though I was making kind of like $2 per sale, $10 per sale, but that type of income cannot change someone's life. But when I switched to this new model that I'm going to share with you right now, everything changed for me. I went from being broke and homeless to making my first $100,000 online in just 8 months. And then learn the most important thing in affiliate marketing, which is the skills. And then I started leveraging those skills. I just need to make money in different ways. And that's exactly how my life was able to transform very, very fast. I give to the charity. I support my friends and family. I travel the world. And yes, as I'm recording this video, I'm inside my apartment here in beautiful Dubai. And yes, I can do anything that interests me without worrying so much about money. And I have impacted and touched many people's life in different ways because I have used the skill I have learned and used it to mentor and help over 600 people from different parts of the world start and grow their own high-ticket affiliate marketing business and make their first $5,000 to $10,000 online. And if you ask me, what is the best advice that I could give to anyone who wants to change their life through affiliate marketing? My answer is always, don't chase the money. Don't chase the instant gratification. First of all, master the skills. Affiliate marketing is a high income skills. And once you master it, it will continue to make you money for the rest of your life. So right now, let's dive into this training, okay? So there is what I call the phases of affiliate marketing, okay? And then the first phase, okay, in this first phase, your goal is to make at least $5,000 per month. So in this phase is when you are starting out with not much experience or skills. At this stage, you are making either $0 or $5,000 per month, just below $5,000 per month. And these are exactly what you lack in this first phase, okay? Maybe you are starting out in your affiliate marketing business right now, or you have started, but you are not kind of like making consistent sales. Then, so what you are struggling with is lack of clarity on what to sell, whom to sell to, where to sell to, how to attract customer, and how to sell to them. Okay, so and like I said, if you are struggling in any of all these and you really want to understand what to sell, whom to sell to, where to sell, and how to attract customer, and then how to sell to them, then you have the chance to click the button below after this video to schedule one-on-one interview with my team, where they are going to kind of like give you more detail and explain everything for you step by step, and make sure that you gain to that clarity and start generating consistent high-ticket sales with your affiliate marketing business. So in this first phase, here is the area of your focus: learning sales and marketing. And I have told you many times that the main thing that you need to become very, very successful in online marketing space is just learn sales and marketing. Okay, so area of focus is learn sales and marketing. Then become good on how to get customer with one social media channel. I see a lot of people who kind of like be doing Facebook ads, will be doing TikTok ads, they will be doing all this XYZ. Well, you don't need any of all those things. All you have to do is just get good at the one. Learn how to gain traffic for free, learn how to generate traffic for free, and get sales for free with one traffic source. Just make sure that you understand it. Personally, I started out with Facebook, and I was able to make my first $100,000 in pure profit with Facebook in 8 months without spending any money on paid advertising or you use any complicated funnels and other companies. So make sure that you follow what I'm sharing with you right now. Learn sales and marketing. Become good on how to get customer with one social media channel. Have just one good product, right? You don't have to promote a lot of products. Most affiliate marketers are the one that is stopping themselves from getting sales because of what? They want to promote this product, they want to promote the other product, and they want to promote another product. So the fact is that when you are trying to promote different products, you are mixing up your audience. And why do I say this? Every product solves a different problem to different people. And if you find yourself kind of like promoting 2 or more products, you are trying to help 2 different people at the same time. And you and I know that if you really want to be perceived as an expert in anything that you do, you have to be good at one thing. So don't follow all those fake gurus who are trying to kind of like tell you to promote this, promote that. Just focus on one product, focus on one high ticket product that will start making you at least $1,000 to $2,000 per sale. Then focus on that and start creating marketing messages and everything so that you will start getting sales, right? And then another thing that you need is stay consistent with your daily action. Okay, so if you was able to get one-on-one call with my team, we are going to kind of like tell you exactly what you need to be doing on a daily basis to help you take your affiliate marketing business to the next level. Because I see most affiliate marketers are not making sales because of what? They don't know exactly what they need to be doing on a daily basis in order to start getting results. So if you are struggling with this, you are not the first who have struggled with this. Personally, I struggle with this a lot. Like I will wake up in the morning, I don't know exactly what I need to do to help my business. So if you are struggling with this, don't worry. When you get on a one-on-one call with my team, we're going to kind of like give you total clarity on what to sell, whom to sell, where to sell, how to attract customers, and how to sell to them. And also, we're going to make sure that at the end of the call, you are going to gain to that clarity and you will have everything you need to take your affiliate marketing business to the next level. Then in this first phase, here are the things that you need to avoid. So you need to avoid complicated stuff like funnels, websites, ads, and all those software. You just keep everything simple, especially in this phase. Okay, if you're trying to overcomplicate things, you are not going to make money. I see a lot of people who are paying $97 to $97 on softwares. Why they are not making any money? At this stage, the main thing that you need, like I've said, is learning sales and marketing and improving your skills and then staying consistent. Don't confuse yourself with all these complicated funnels and the advertising and all those things that they are trying to tell you, they are trying to teach you to do. Just keep everything simple. Don't spend a dime on softwares or ads until you start making at least $5,000 per month. Okay, personally, I didn't have any funnel. I didn't pay for any funnel before I made my first $100,000, and I didn't spend any money on paid advertising. And I'm very, very sure that anyone can do it. And the only way you can use to do it is make sure that you are learning sales and marketing. Okay, so avoid complicated stuff like funnels, website, ads, and all those software. Just keep everything simple, especially in this phase. Okay, so that's exactly what you need to do in this first phase. And then in the second phase, your goal is to make $10,000 to $20,000 per month. So these are for people who have already gained some experience in affiliate marketing. So in this phase, you have gained some experience and you are making at least $5,000 to $10,000 per month, but your results are not consistent. You can't just see yourself earn more than $5,000 or $10,000 per month. So if you are in this category, this is your main struggle. You don't know exactly how to scale your affiliate marketing business past $10,000 per month to $20,000 per month or $25,000 per month. So here are the areas that you need to focus on. You need an automated system. And what exactly is an automated system? automated system is something that you're going to install in your affiliate marketing business that will help you generate consistent sales in complete autopilot. All right. So you're not going to be working every day in your business, kind of like staying consistent in all the activities in your business. So at this stage, you are making $5,000 per month. At least you have some capital that you can invest into softwares to help you kind of like set up your online business the right way. So you need to install this automated system that will help you generate leads and convert leads in complete autopilot. All right. So the second thing that you need is 100% high ticket products. Okay. 100% high ticket products. So what do I mean by high ticket products? So high ticket product is a product that can earn you at least $1,000 to $4,000 in commission in every sale that you generate. So if you want to scale your affiliate marketing business, you need to go all in 100% with high ticket products so that you will be earning huge commission in every sale that you generate. So at this point, once you know that you can earn $4,000 per sale, all you have to focus on is know your numbers. If your goal is to make $20,000 per month, you know that you need to generate at least 5 high ticket sales per month to be able to hit your $20,000 goal. So at this point, you need automation system, and then go all in 100% with high ticket products, and then have at least 2 marketing channels. Okay, you have made your first $10,000 with 1 marketing channel. Right now, it's time to add another channel. You can either add YouTube or Instagram or TikTok. Just make sure that you don't overcomplicate things. Just make sure that you started with 1. Then at this second phase, you are going to add another marketing channel. Another thing that you need is to learn how to leverage. Okay, you have to learn how to leverage other people's resources to help you scale your own business. All right, start implementing advanced marketing and selling strategy and stay consistent with what is working. All right, so this is where you're going to scale. Once you understand this, okay, once you understand these areas of focus in this second phase, you'll be able to scale your affiliate marketing business past $10,000 per month to $20,000 to $30,000 per month. Okay, so make sure. Okay, so let me just repeat myself again. You need an automated system. You need to go all in 100% with high ticket products. You need to have at least 2 marketing channels. Learn how to leverage. Okay, learn how to leverage other people's resources to scale your own business. Start implementing advanced marketing and selling strategy. So there are many advanced marketing and selling strategy that can help you implement. Once you get one-on-one with my team, it's absolutely free to jump on a call with people in my team to help you and give you more clarity in what I just explained to you so that you will be able to start scaling your online business. All right. The next one is stay consistent with what is working. Most people will find something that is working for them. You know, like affiliate marketing and everything that you're doing in life is just make sure that you find something that is working and stay consistent and keep doing the thing that is working. So once you find out exactly what is working for you, stay consistent with it, and then you will start producing more results. Okay, so in this second phase, these are the things that you need to avoid. Avoid distraction from other marketers who are trying to kind of like pitch you another feel good opportunity, another good opportunity, another juicy opportunity, all those easy systems and all those things. Avoid all those things. Okay, avoid easy process. Instead, master the skills, own it, and it will set you free for the rest of your life. I said this in the beginning. If you really want to change your life in affiliate marketing, forget about all those click button, clickbait, automated traffic, blah, blah, blah. Focus on learning the skills, master the skills of sales and marketing, and you will become very, very successful for the rest of your life. Okay. So I hope you find this video valuable. What I've shared with you so far is exactly what we have implemented to our clients and students to help them start generating consistent $2,000, $4,000 on a daily basis, and then help them scale their affiliate marketing business to at least $10,000 to $20,000 or $25,000 per month or $30,000 per month. We have had many students who have done over $30,000 per month with affiliate marketing businesses. So, and if you come to this page, you can see every one of them giving their testimonies. And as you can see here, you can see it here, $4,000 commissions and $3,000 commissions, $2,500 commissions. And as you can see the result from my students and every other people out there, $2,000, $3,000, 3 sales this week, £4,000. And then, yeah, there are a lot of things that you're going to gain clarity on. And as you can see, the payout, $4,000, $4,000, $1,500, $6,000, $9,000. These are daily payout from people who are using our system. So I'm very, very sure that if you can implement the same system in your own affiliate marketing business, it's going to change your life really fast. Okay. If you are someone who would love to master the skills of high ticket affiliate marketing business and use it to change your life as soon as possible, just make sure that you click the button below and schedule one-on-one call with my team so that we will give you clarity and walk you step by step on everything you need to make at least your first $10,000 to $20,000 in the next 90 days, regardless of your experience, even if you're a complete beginner. And also, once you schedule a call with my team, you are going to redirect it to another page where we are going to give you another training that will help you gain more clarity and scale your affiliate marketing business very, very fast. We're going to teach you mindset. We're going to teach you a lot of things in this free training, and you can get access to this free training once you schedule one-on-one call with my team. So right now, click the button below to schedule your free one-on-one call with my team. And also, before you leave, I want to inform you about our mastermind program. This is where you work with us for the next 6 to 12 months to help you scale your affiliate marketing business to at least $100,000 in profit. So this mastermind is not for everybody, but if mistakenly you have a great conversation with people in my team and they decide to tell you about the program, well, that's exactly what this program is going to help you do. Like I said, you have the opportunity to be in the same mastermind group with me and the rest of my team to help and support you with everything you need to start and build your own $100,000 affiliate marketing business. If you want to have the opportunity to enjoy all this, make sure that you click the button below and schedule one-on-one call with my team. And don't forget, once you schedule the call, we're going to send you another free training that's going to be sharpening your skills and helping you achieve the most success and make the most profit with your affiliate marketing business. So thank you so much for watching. See you on the other side.